Hi everyone, Kimmy Kennedy here with Birmingham Estate Sales. Hope this finds you doing well on this chilly day. Chilly for us anyway. Wanted to show you a little bit about our sale next week that's by appointment only. It's in Brook. You'll need to text me or call me 205-249-5400 to obtain access to this sale. A lot of really cool stuff. Let me show you a little bit. So, very modern. A lot of this furniture was actually chosen for this home in particular. As you can see, it's very modern home. A lot of you may recognize a lot of the furniture style and the designers here. We're going to go over here, and the dining room table, glass top chairs, art. We've got some pottery, and we also have some glass vases that we have coming up. We're going to go over here. A lot of modern art that we have. Walking down the stairs here. This is fabulous. Fabulous. Sunflowers. I hope you can see this. Let me go in for a closer shot. More modern art. So check back on our website and I'll have more photos loaded and what furniture we have available. More rooms upstairs and downstairs, just not able to do that right this second. So we will see you soon. Thanks so much. Stay warm.